Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 1, and that is part 2. So, student, yesterday we discussed about numbers, digits, place value chart, national place value, फिर international place value, फिर रोमन न्यूमरल, ठीक है ना, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग वी डिस्कस, ठीक है ना, एंड आई ऑल्सो गिव सम एग्जांपल्स. तो आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट थिंग्स, एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम अदर टॉपिक्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो नाउ स्टूडेंट, टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज एस्टिमेशन. टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज एस्टिमेशन. एस्टिमेशन, ठीक है ना. अब व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ एस्टिमेशन स्टूडेंट्स? तो देखो, एस्टिमेशन मतलब व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ एस्टिमेशन? एस्टिमेशन मींस नियर अबाउट. एस्टिमेशन मींस नियर अबाउट. अब व्हाट इज दिस स्टूडेंट? जैसे लेट अस अज्यूम फॉर एन एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग, देखिए वन एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग कि लेट अस अज्यूम कि अबाउट 2000 peoples, about 2000 peoples traveled from गोरखपुर यानी जीकेपी टू न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है ना, दिस इज न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है ना. अबाउट 2000 पीपल ट्रेवल्ड फ्रॉम गोरखपुर टू एनडीएलएस, मतलब दिल्ली, न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है ना. तो व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ दिस स्टूडेंट? दिस इज अबाउट एस्टिमेशन. ठीक है ना. वी डोंट नो अबाउट द एक्चुअल वैल्यू. ठीक है ना, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट काउंट प्रॉपर्ली कि हाउ मेनी पीपल आर ट्रेवलिंग एवरी डे फ्रॉम गोरखपुर टू दिल्ली. ठीक है ना. दिस इज अबाउट ओनली एस्टिमेशन. We give an idea about 2000 people travel from GKP to New Delhi. Another example I can take, nearly 4,000 people, nearly 4,000 people watched movie every day in city mall. ठीक है ना. नियरली 4,000 people watches movie every day in city mall. ठीक है ना. तो what is student? This is only just idea. We don't know about the actual value because we cannot count properly ना. ठीक है ना. तो this is about only idea. तो estimation is about what student? Estimation gives the idea about the मतलब number. ठीक है ना. This is not the exact value. We can only recognize the near about. ठीक है ना. We can only recognize the near about the value. ठीक है ना. चलिए, अब now how we can apply this is how we can apply to the how we can apply this one to estimation is also known as rounding. Estimation is also known as rounding off. Clear student? In numbers, estimation is also known as rounding off. What is the mean of this student? देखो, अब rounding off जैसे if you have to write down 23, it is given a number. ठीक है ना. You have to round off. तो it's depend on the मतलब जैसे you have to round off to the nearest tens. You have to round off to the nearest tens. ठीक है ना. फिर नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स, फिर नियरेस्ट थाउजेंड्स. Like that, this is the series. जैसे nearest tens you have, it may be possible कि it is given in the question round up to the nearest tens. फिर it may be possible it is given nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, फिर nearest 10,000, nearest lakhs. ठीक है ना. तो रूल इज सेम फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ठीक है ना. ओनली यू हैव टू फोकस द कांसेप्ट कि हाउ यू हैव टू अप्लाई. ठीक है ना. देखो, हियर आई एम गोइंग टू गिव द एक्सप्लेनेशन कि व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ठीक है ना. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग फॉर नियरेस्ट टेंस. ठीक है ना. देखो, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन योर बुक, बट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू कि हाउ टू estimate the value. ठीक है ना. देखिए, अब देखिए, इट इज गिवन इन योर बुक. ठीक है ना. फर्स्ट your focus should be on there, ठीक है ना. After this you will go in the book and you will solve the question based on this. अब देखिए nearest 10 means first if you have to find out the number, you have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So what you will see to the nearest ones, ठीक है ना. जैसे मान लो this is given 56 for example I am giving. So if you have to find out nearest 10 student ना, you will see what, you will see nearest ones. अब देखिए nearest ones is what student 6, ठीक है ना. तो you will see this number, if this number, if ones place is greater than or equal to 5. देखिए listen everyone, if ones place is greater than or equal to 5, ठीक है ना. तो what you will do, you will increase 1 in tens place, increase 1 in tens place, ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट. if ones place is greater than or equal to 5, increase 1 in tens place. What is the mean of this? देखो if nearest tens is given now student, तो you will see first you will see what nearest ones. तो देखो nearest ones is 6. अब according to the rule, if ones place is greater than or equal to 5, increase 1 in tens place. So you will increase 1 in tens place. So here you will increase tens place, and rest of them become 0. And rest of them become 0. यानी rest of them मतलब what left? Ones left. तो ones become 0. Clear student? This is the one example. Another example देखो. जैसे it is given 643. Let us assume this example. Clear student? देखो according to rule, nearest tens we have to do now. So what you will see? We will see nearest ones. अब nearest one is student देखो what? Nearest ones is 3. 3 is what? 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5 ना. तो second rule is what? Second rule is that कि if the value is less than 5, ठीक है ना. If value is equal or greater than 5, then you will increase 1. Otherwise, if value is less than, so what you will do student? You will make ones place 0 and rest of them become same. यानी this will become what? 6 4 तो same and this will become 0. ठीक है ना. अगर in this question it was given, if it is in this question it was given 748. Let us assume this is the question. ठीक है ना. तो देखो again what you have to show, you have to see nearest tens student. Nearest tens you have to change. So what you will see? You will see nearest ones. Nearest ones is what? Nearest ones is 8. 8 is what? 8 is greater than 5. ठीक है ना. So what you will do? You will increase 1 in tens place and rest of them become 0. मतलब rest is what? What left? Ones left, because there is no matter of this one, because this is to 100. We have to see only one sentence. So 7 will become 7. This is 8. This is greater than 5. So this will become what? 5. Because you will increase 1 and this will become what? 0. So 750 is the correct answer. Again student, again example I am taking. Let us assume this is given 665. Okay, this is the example. Same process you have to apply. You have to see nearest ones. अब nearest ones is student what? Nearest ones is 5. ठीक है ना. You know that what is the rule? If ones place is greater than or equal to 5, increase 1 in tens place. Okay. तो देखो this is what? Equal to 5. Again what you will do student? You will increase 1 in which one? Tens place and rest of them become 0. यानी rest means ones become 0. तो 6 to become 6 now, because this is the value of 100 place. There is no need of doing anything in the 100 place, because we have to see, we have to estimate to the nearest tens. You have to look at nearest ones and nearest tens. Nearest ones is 5. ठीक है ना. तो we will increase 1 in tens place and this will become same. So this will become what? 7 or this will become what? 0. Clear? I think this is clear. ठीक है ना. Similarly, if you have to make change in nearest hundreds. ठीक है ना. You have to make change in nearest hundreds. अब देखिए क्या करेंगे. तो if अब nearest 100, तो you will see what? बताइए. If nearest 100 is given, तो what you will see? If tens place is greater than, same concept you will apply. If tens place is greater than, if tens place is greater than or equal to 5, increase 1 in what? अब now here we will write on what? 100 place. Increase 1 in 100 place. ठीक है ना? तो देखो same rule student, only you have to change, you have to see your estimation is what is given in your estimation. देखो nearest hundreds is given, so you will say if tens place is greater than or equal to 5, increase 1 in 100 place. ठीक है ना? Same concept is given student. तो if nearest 100 is given, तो what you will see nearest tens. For example 748. Let us assume this is example 768. Let us assume this is 768. ठीक है ना? तो you have to see what? You have to estimate the nearest hundreds. So what you will see student? You will see nearest tens. So once tens. देखो here tens is what? 6 ना? अब 6 is what? 6 is greater than 5. So what you will do? You will increase 1 in what? 100 place. So here it will become 8. Or rest of them become 0. So this will become 800. Clear? Again one example here I am taking. मान लो let us assume this is given 543. ठीक है ना? तो here you will see student, you have to see what? You have to see nearest tens. ठीक है ना? Nearest tens is what? Nearest tens is 4. अब 4 is what? Again remember कि if greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you have to increase, otherwise become 0. तो देखो here 4 is given ना, 4 is what? 4 is less than 5. तो what you will do? Nearest it will become what? It will become 0. यानी 5 0 0. It will become ना, because देखो you have to see what? Tens place is what? 4 it is given. ठीक है? अब 4 is what? Less than 5. What it will become? It will become 0. Simple. ठीक है ना? ठीक है, चलिए. तो this is our nearest 100. Again चलो एक और example. Next example I can take 885. Let us assume. Again nearest 100 you have to do na. So you will see what? Nearest tens. Tens is what student? Tens is 8. Tens is 8. So 8 is what? Greater than 5. So you increase 1 in 100 place and rest of them become 0. This will become 900. Very easy. ठीक है ना? This is our nearest 100. ठीक है ना? अब देखिए for nearest thousands, nearest thousands. ठीक है ना? तो nearest thousand देखो if, अब देखिए in this what you will see, देखो in this what you have to see student, if अब nearest thousand में what you will see? Ones tens 100. ठीक है ना? तो you will see if 100 place is greater than or equal to 5, then increase 1 in 1000 place. Increase 1 in 1000 place. 1 in 1000 place. देखो सेम रूल स्टूडेंट है. देखो सेम थिंग आई एम राइटिंग. ठीक है ना? If 100 place, अब why 100 place? Because it is given 1000. So 1000 is given. So what you will see student? Before 1, तो यानी 100 you will see. तो if 100 place is greater than or equal to 5, then increase 1 in 1000 place. Again same. Then for example 5677. मान लो this is given example. तो देखो if 100 place, so you will see what? Nearest 1000 you have to estimate. So you will see what? You will see 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. This is our student 100 place. ठीक है? तो if 100 place is what? 100 place is more than 5 or 5, so you will increase 1 in 1000 place. You will increase 1 in 1000 place. So this will become 6. और rest of them become what? Rest of them become 0. तो देखो this is the about nearest 1000. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट? अगेन वन एग्जांपल देखिए, जैसे 5446 6 मान लो, दिस इज गिवन एग्जांपल, ठीक है ना. अब यू हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट नियरेस्ट 1000. तो व्हाट यू विल सी स्टूडेंट, you will see nearest 100, ones, tens, 100. Nearest 100 this is given, ठीक है ना. तो what it will become student, if nearest 100 is 4, तो 4 is what, 4 is what, 4 is less than 5, तो what you will do, other number become 0. देखो this will become what, 5 0 0, this will become 5000, ठीक है ना. Because according to rule if nearest, अब जैसे nearest 1000 you have to do, you will see what nearest 100, nearest 100 is what 4 is less than 5, ठीक है ना. तो the number, all number become 0 and this will become same, ठीक है ना, because you don't have to increase this one, ठीक है. So this is about student estimation, ठीक है ना. all rule are clear, I think now you are able to solve the question based on this, ठीक है ना. now अब move to the exercise, this is given in your book, ठीक है ना. देखिए फर्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट एपीसी एक्सरसाइज 1.1 एपीसी. देखो एक्सरसाइज 1.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आई विल एक्सप्लेन ओनली सम क्वेश्चन, रेस्ट ऑफ देम यू विल डू योरसेल्फ. देखिए व्हाट इज गिवन, राइट द स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर. अब देखो एवरीवन नो स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर, एवरीवन नो स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल number. So tell me what is student, smallest natural number everyone know, what, 1. Can you tell me the greatest natural number student, greatest natural number. Can anyone tell me what is the greatest natural number student. अब देखो it is not mentioned कि greatest 5 digit number you have to find out, greatest 4 digit number you have to find out, और greatest 6 digit number you have to find out, ठीक है ना. it is given greatest natural number. अब you know that कि counting जैसे start from देखो counting from 1 2 3 and so on, there is no limit, ठीक है ना. clear. तो if it is given you have to find out greatest natural number, तो it is not possible. क्यों? because the condition is not given. if it was given कि greatest 5 digit number, greatest 4 digit number, smallest 4 digit number, anything is given, तो you can find out, ठीक है ना. because that then there will be the limitation, you have to find out greatest 4 digit number, not 5 digit number, not 6 digit number, but there limit nothing is given ना, ठीक है ना. तो you cannot find out, मतलब greatest natural number is not possible, because beta why, if anyone asks you कि why it is not possible, explain me, so you will say कि there is no any condition given in the question कि we have to find out greatest 4 digit number, greatest 5 digit number are what, ठीक है ना. we have to find only greatest natural number, so it is not possible, ठीक है ना. question number first clear. चलिए I think now you are able to understand. this is question number first. अब now move to the question number second. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज गिवन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. देखो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज गिवन. देखिए इट इज गिवन 1 lakh इक्वल टू 10,000. 1 lakh इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी 10. इट इज गिवन 10,000. 10,000, ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट. तो डियर स्टूडेंट सी 1 lakh फर्स्ट विल राइट डाउन. अब जैसे हाउ यू हैव टू मेक इट इक्वल, अब यू विल सी कि 1 lakh इक्वल टू व्हाट, देखो ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. दिस इज अबाउट 1 lakh. अब नाउ राइट डाउन 10,000 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. एकदम सी केयरफुली स्टूडेंट कि व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. देखो here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो व्हाट यू विल apply कि they both become equal. what you will do कि they both will become equal, ठीक है ना. what process you will apply. तो here you can see clearly कि how many zero 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are given. here how many zeros 1 2 3 4 zeros are given. clear. so one thing will come in your mind कि if I will increase one zero तो they both will become equal, ठीक है ना. तो how it will become possible student. जैसे if 10 is given you have to make 100, so what you will do, you will multiply by 10 ना. same concept you will apply student. if you have to increase one zero na, so you will multiply it by what, you will multiply it by 10. If you have to increase 2 zeros, so you will multiply it by what? 100. If you will multiply it by 10, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they both are equal. So what you will write down here? You will write down 10. मतलब 1 लाख equal to 10,000. देखो 10,000. ठीक है ना? तो about मतलब on the way of this we can solve the question. चलो. Another question is I am going to take on the same pattern. देखिए, it is given 1 crore equal to 10 lakh. It is given 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. Again same process will apply. First we write 1 crore, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay? फिर 10 lakh you will write down ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10. Okay? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are given. What is the meaning of this, student? It means if you want to make both equal, so what you will do? Same process will apply. You will multiply it by what? 10. Because 1 zero you have to increase, you multiply it by 10. ठीक है ना? By this process you can check. So here you will write what? You will write down 10. यानी 1 crore equal to 10 lakh. Is that clear everyone? ठीक है ना? चलो. चलिए. So this question is very easy. I think now you are going to solve the question based on this. अब देखो. The next thing is given. Insert comma suitably. तो comma तो I think you are able to understand. अब you will do yourself this question. चलिए. Write the following number in figure. You will do this question. Now come on question number 7. Because all questions are very easy. I will not explain. Use of comma I explain according to international place value chart, national place value chart. I explain everything. ठीक है ना? अब चलिए. Now it is given कि write the place value and face value of the digit. देखो जैसे क्वेश्चन is given 75,632. You have to write down what? You have to write down place value and face value of what is it is given? Write the place value and face value of 6. You know that the place value of 6 is what? 6,000. And the face value. This is what, student? This is our place value. Place value. Okay, everyone? Or this is about what? Now you have to write down face value. So face value of 6 is 6. This is our face value. Because I explained you know what is the place value and face value. The place value may be changed and it will be in the form of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay? And face value will never be changed. ठीक है ना? So this is place value. This is face value. If I want to know what is the division of the place value and face value. Clear, student? If I want to know what is the division of the place value and face value, so what you will do? This is 6,000, this is 6. So when you will divide, you will find out. If I want to know what is the multiplication of the place value and face value of the 6, you can find out. ठीक है ना? What is the addition? You can find out. So on the basis of this, lots of question I can give. ठीक है ना? ठीक है. So this is about place value. This is about face value. Clear, student? ठीक. चलिए. Now come to the next question. देखिए, find the difference between the place value and face value of 9. Same question. Determine the difference between the place value of 2 sevens. Same question is given. ठीक है ना? अब देखिए, question number 10 it is given. Determine the product of the place value and face value of the digit 4 in the number. देखिए, 5, 4, 3, 7. अब you have to find out what? You have to find out product of place value and face value. This is place value. This is face value. You will not use shortcut. Only I am using. चलो I am writing. This is product of place value and face value. देखिए, what is the place value, student? 400. What is the place value? Face value, student? 4. Because place value मतलब in the form of ones, tens, 100. और place value मतलब place value. This is place value. This is face value. Face value will never be changed. 4 4 just 16. यानी 16. Yes student, if in this question I want to divide the place value with the with face value, so what will be your answer? 400 divided by 4. Is that clear everyone? चलिए, तो and question 11, this is also same, and this is about ABC. ठीक है ना? Next we will discuss NCERT. देखो, तो 1.1 clear. And now come on 1.2. Exercise 1.2. देखिए. अब 1.2 what is given student? You have to discuss exercise 1.2. देखिए, और all question you have to do student, all question. देखिए 1.2 is given. Use the appropriate symbol. You will solve. कि which one is greater, which one is small. Each of the following pair of the number state which number is smaller. You can एकदम easily identify. Find the greatest number, smallest number. Identify. Arrange the following ascending descending. तो everyone know ascending descending I will not explain. ठीक है ना? Write all possible digits that can be formed by using 2, 3 and 4. Come on, question number 6. Write, you have to write down all possible digits using 2, 3 and 4. And repetition of digits is not allowed. 2, 3, 4. You have to write down what? Possible. You have to write down all possible 2 digits. ठीक है ना? ठीक है ना? You have to write down all possible 2 digits. And one very important thing student, repetition is not allowed. Repetition मतलब you cannot repeat the single digit 2 times. ठीक है ना? देखिए. First you will start. What is the step? How you will start? First you will take 2. ठीक है ना? तो it will become what? 2, 3. First number again you will start from 2 to 2, 4. Second number again. Now next is what? You will take 3 to 3, 4. Next what you will do student? 3, 2. ठीक है? This is the process correct way. Again you will take 4. So with the help of 4 what you will make? 4, 2. Again student what you will make? 4, 3. ठीक है ना? तो देखो how many possible number you can make without the repetition of the number student? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है ना? अच्छा देखो when you will follow the step by step ना, you will not forget which number मतलब retain which number is not retain. ठीक है ना? तो always follow the step. जैसे first you will start from single number. जैसे first you will take this 2. फिर with the help of these 2 you will make number. फिर with the help of this 3 you will make number. With the help of this 4 you will make number. ठीक है ना? तो try to follow the step. ठीक है ना? You will never fail. चलो. Now come on the next question. So this is the little bit different type of question student ना. चलिए question number 6 done. 7. All possible 3-digit number. All possible 3-digit number you have to find out. Same question. Write all possible 3-digit number. अब देखिए 8th question I am doing 8th question. 8th question. Write all possible 3-digit number using 706. 706. Just to make what? Possible 3-digit number. Possible 3-digit number you have to make, and also you have to find out what? You have to find out sum. अब देखिए first I will take 706. ठीक है ना? First number I can make. Next number what I can make student? 760. ठीक है? अब if you will take 0, तो 0 से तो it is not possible to make 3-digit number. ठीक है ना? Because if you will write down 0, 7 से, तो this is only 2 digit. है ना? There is no matter of 0. तो चलो. Now next number what you can make student? Next number you can make what? 607. ठीक है ना? Next number you can make 607. Again what you can make? 670. ठीक है ना student? तो you can make this number. अब with the help of this, what you have to do student? You have to find out sum. You have to find out what? Sum. तो चलिए sum is very easy. देखो only these possible 4 number you can make. ठीक है ना? तो 7 plus 6 13. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 1 14. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 7 19. And 19 plus 7. 19 plus 7 बताइए 27. ठीक है ना? तो देखो again 7 plus 6 13. Carry 1. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 1 14. Carry 1. तो तो 7 plus 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 6 27. तो दिस इज योर करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है ना। अब देखो व्हाट इज गिवन द क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट मेक पॉसिबल 3 digit number, ठीक है ना। पॉसिबल 3 digit number you will make again these 1 2 3 4 4 possible 3 digit number you can make, only these 4 are possibility, or you have to find out what, you have to find out sum. So always read question carefully. If you will do the question only here from here to here, ठीक है ना, तो you will get what, half marks, because it is also given in the question कि what it is given also find the sum, and another thing is given the student repetition is not allowed, ठीक है ना। तो you have to read the question carefully. चलिए now move to the next question. Next question is given question number 9. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is given, write all possible 2 digit number, same process you will apply. 10 is also given, write all possible 2 digit number, ठीक है ना। अब देखिए another question I am going to do, question number 12 which is little bit different. Question number 12, question number 12 देखो question number 12 I am going to explain you कि what is given the question. देखो अब जैसे if anyone asks how many total 5 digits number are there in all, मान लो anyone asks you कि how many total 5 digit number are there in all, how many 4 digit number are there in all, how many 3 digit number are there in all, तो how you will find out. जैसे for simple example, if you have to find out total 3 digit number, if you have to find out how many total 3 digits number are available, so what you will do student, first you will write down greatest 3 digit number, greatest 3 digit number, फिर you will write down smallest 3 digit number minus 1. मतलब first you will write down greatest 3 digit number plus, नहीं एक मिनट, this is greatest 3 digit number, फिर minus smallest 3 digit number, फिर plus 1. This is the formula, ठीक है ना। अब देखो कैसे you will apply, how you will apply. If anyone asks to find out the total, how many total 3 digit number are there in all, what you will do, first you will write down the greatest 3 digit number. What is the greatest 3 digit number बताइए, 999, ठीक है ना। What is the smallest 3 digit number, you will write down 100, okay, in bracket, plus 1. 999 minus 100 student, it will come 800, it will come what, 899 plus 1, so this will become what, 900. It means total 900 digits are available, 3 digit number, total 3 digit number are there 900, ठीक है ना, यानी टोटल